Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sela, and today is Wednesday, November 15th. Let's jump right into the exciting news from yesterday. So, big headline, U.S. stocks rallied big time on Tuesday. Investors were reacting to some cooler than expected inflation numbers. The October U.S. inflation report came in with some surprising figures, a 0.0% change month over month, pushing the 12-month reading down to 3.2%. These numbers were just below what everyone was expecting, and you know how that works. Well, it was very positive for the stock and bond market. Now, focusing on the core CPI, we saw an increase of 0.2% month over month and 4.2% year over year, again, coming in below estimates. What does this mean? Well, it's likely giving the Fed some room to take a less aggressive stance on interest rates. Definitely something to watch, especially due to some comments made last week by certain central bankers regarding another rate hike. In response to these numbers, the Dow Jones surged more than 500 points. That's around 1.6%, folks. And the Nasdaq? Up roughly 2.5%. The Standard & Poor's 500 wasn't far behind with a rise of over 2%. Talk about a market reaction. Now, let's not forget the small cap Russell 2000 index, which had its best day in about a year. This could be the turnaround we've all been waiting for in the small cap area. And in the bond market, the 10-year Treasury yield dropped significantly to trade near 4.44%. On the corporate front, Home Depot reported quarterly results with a smaller than expected decline in same-store sales, leading the way for upcoming reports from Target and Walmart. Despite consumer spending holding up, it's not all sunshine for retail stocks broadly. And finally, let's turn our gaze internationally. There's some buzz around the APEC summit in San Francisco. APEC stands for the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation, and it is a forum of 21 Asia-Pacific economies. APEC's member economies are home to more than 2.9 billion people and make up over 60% of global GDP. Its primary purpose is to promote sustainable economic growth, trade and investment, and prosperity in the Asia-Pacific region. So, we're watching closely as President Joe Biden and China's president are set to meet. There's talk about a potential agreement on tackling fentanyl exports. We'll see what comes of it. That's it for today's Capital Markets Quickie. Catch you all tomorrow morning for more market insights. Don't forget to subscribe for your daily dose of finance in a flash. This is Endrit Sela signing off.